and go buy it. This is better because if I don't cook and I actually buy food, or and by the time I'm done ordering all this, like, my money is finished. So good morning. Hi. So I woke up like 3 hours ago. I wanted to do a weekend in my life kind of like video. I've dyed my hair red. I didn't record that. Day specific, this Saturday I'm going to make food or like stuff for eating. I need to feed myself, you know. I have to get a book and write the list of ingredients I would need so that I go get it just by my hostel here. I'm not going to like the market or anything. And yeah, basically everything I have is finished. Like right now I have bread, but then like there is nothing, there is no stew or anything, and I need those. So I'm going to make one soup, stew, and then pepper sauce on shito because I have gari. So I think those would be cool for gari. I can do like gari bar or something. No, what's today's date even? I'm not blend now. Interesting. Anyways, I'm going to take money. I don't know how to spend money. Anyways, I'm going to take money and then go buy it. This is better because if I don't cook and I actually buy food, or because obviously I'm not always going to buy kope and kenke. I'm obviously going to go to a cozy, buy some fufu with some plenty meat, or order from Freddy's or pies. And by the time I'm done ordering all this, like, my money is finished. So it's necessary. I've literally gotten everything, and I'm coming to start cutting everything and prepping everything for the cooking process. I feel like today's going to be like an all-day cooking day, and I really hope my gas doesn't give up on me now that I have to go buy gas, and hopefully I'll get somebody to come back and like help me so that I'll finish early. Anyways, so I'm going to start packing everything.
Oh, how far? I got to give you work. I got to give you work, Naja. Yes.
Let me take that video. We are here.
So sad. Bean sauce done. Stew done. Jollof getting ready.
So the jollof is kind of like cooking, and I think I can end this day here because I'm just going to like bath, rest, and wake up early, maybe at dawn to learn, and we might have a discussion like tomorrow. So we'll see how tomorrow goes. Rest and then wake up early. Rest so I can wake up early. My light has been out for about 3 hours now. It's currently 9. Anyway, I've been out for like about 2 hours now. Hi, good morning. Oh, you can see I really slept, but I slept around like 12 something, and when I came back I woke up again, and then I tried to put on the fan and it was making so much noise. Let me show you how much noise it makes. Like, I don't know why it's making this much noise, but then if you're on the fan, like it was stopped, but I couldn't do, and I put it off. So anyways, I'm coming to like tidy up, and then I have a discussion later today. We're supposed to have it at the faculty, but then some members won't be coming, so we haven't had my friend's side. So I'm coming to tidy up, you know, brush my face, brush my teeth, wash my face, all that. and then yeah, get ready for the discussion, read and stuff, because I already have food, so I'm not going to be thinking about food for the next like 3 weeks. My food, I'm so hungry. Like, I'm really hungry. I'm boiling my okra soup. Okay, so right now I'm going over some notes for our discussion at, where's my phone? So yeah, so that's what I was doing and I'm still doing. I'll be leaving the room like in about 10 minutes and yeah, heading out. So heading out soon for discussion. I realize that.
Yay! I'm here, Sam.
Yo, I'm on Chip. Hey, you can't even hear what I'm listening to. Okay, so here's what happened. So when we went to JJ's side, yeah, we stayed there for a while and we all came to my room. When we came to my room, the lights went out and it just came on like a few, I think an hour ago. Yeah, so I'm going to get my planner and then we'll plan like tomorrow and see how tomorrow is supposed to go. I have classes in the evening and then we have group discussion in the morning. They set a time to 12, but then I'll be heading to the faculty earlier so I can like learn before. It's 12:04 right now. Nothing. Ooh la la. Okay, cool. Classes. I'll actually might go to the gym tomorrow. So let's see.